Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Ondo. Wanted to make a quick video. Wanted to make a quick update on Ondo here. I thought it was quite interesting this morning. In general, the price action for Ondo is quite weird. All right, it's quite confusing because it's not reacting that well to technical levels. In general, Ondo, I always think it always feels a little bit manipulated, at least. I'm not sure if that's the case. Maybe there's just some sort of a weird market maker doing stuff. I don't know. But what you see here is that Ondo, there's no like the main resistance level we had right here is 1.3. We're not really respecting that. The main level we're respecting as a resistance right now is this level between 1.3 and 1.27.5. So I'm going to keep that as the main resistance level. And then you can see that there's also no clear support, but that doesn't matter that much. In general, this morning, I actually thought that Ondo looked quite bullish. Now, unfortunately, and that's also why I wanted to make this video, because I think that there's a chance that Ondo gets a breakout and continues to rally, all right? Which is obviously most interesting for you and I. Because Ondo has already rallied a lot. So what we saw is that basically since the 15th of May, so in the last 2 weeks, from the bottom to the top, we rallied almost 80%, and so far we've been bullish. All right, so you can see, for example, yesterday morning we reacted very positively to the 28 EMA right here. We haven't even touched the 382 fib here. We have some major support here at 1.15. So purely technically, there's a lot to be happy about. Now, where it becomes, and the momentum, I would say, is also still relatively high. The momentum is no longer going up, right? So there, we have to be a little bit more realistic in saying that we had a lot of momentum, we did great, but now momentum is no longer going up, and there's also some sort of a downtrend in there. Some sort, all right? Because overall, it's still holding up fairly well, and it's more consolidating. But that is the truth. And then apart from that, Bitcoin is also turning a little bit more bearish, or at least Bitcoin is also losing momentum, which is also can be seen as something bearish. So does Ondo actually have the fuel to get a breakout and get up towards 1.45 and 1.5? Because that would be the next target, I would say. And that's a pretty big move, all right? That's a move of about 15 to 17.5% again. So do I think that's likely? Yes, I think because of the overall market circumstances, combined with the technical situation and the technical confirmations we're getting for Ondo, I think it's most likely that at some point of time we'll break above 1.3 and that will rally up to 1.45 and 1.5. I think that's most likely. But at this moment, I don't see it happening. At this moment, I think it's more likely that we will just consolidate in this area between 1.15 and 1.3. So that also means that if Bitcoin gets a drop into 66,000, which is not the end of the world and which is also not unthinkable, that Ondo can actually drop down lower here. And I actually do think that short term, it's most likely that we will drop down towards 1.2 and 1.16. And then at some point of time, we'll gain momentum again, probably when Bitcoin is relatively bullish. We'll break out and we'll rally. And that's what I think. And that's also optimal timing because I can feel my voice fading away a little bit. So that's what you need to know, right? If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments, of course. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.